Goa Forward demands Konkani films to be screened in IFFI. It also wants a white paper on ESG functioning.
Goa Forward's Dilip Prabhudesai questioned as to why there were no Konkani films being screened at IFFI even though the state was hosting the festival.
The demand is that he has to ensure that adequate representation is given to Goan films in IFFI 2019. This is a great injustice to Goan film fraternity, to Goan artists, की ताणी कष्ट करप, फिल्म काडप आणि जो प्लॅटफॉर्म गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट कोट्यांनी रुपये खर्च करून एक प्लॅटफॉर्म तयार जाता त्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर तांची फिल्म येना.
The GF Vice President also questioned what the ESG has done over the years. They also want a white paper on the society's functioning.
So our demand number 2 is actually something that some others have also demanded, and we support that demand. We read.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuenkar from Madgaon.